But Donna, you have to do a back stitch. Why would you have to do a back stitch?
Because it doesn't it lock it in
Yeah.
place?
Yeah.
It like kind of like seals the stitch so it doesn't undo.
Unravel. Yep.
Yeah.
Because all your work will be just unraveling. All right, so go ahead. We're gonna see you do it now.
Okay.
Go down forward a little bit and then back stitch. And here's your back stitch, right here.
Oh, okay, perfect.
Yeah, so just hit the pedal a little bit, go forward, and then hit that. Stop. Stop. And then hit that. Go back a little bit more. A little bit more. Stop. And now I want you to put your two little fingers here and guide it lightly and go straight. But stop 1/4 inch before the corner. Now do it by hand. Right here.
Oh.
Yep.
You're saying like left.
Towards you.
Oh.
Towards you.
Always towards you.
Yes, always towards you. Do you see how it's...
So it...
No, towards you. The needle goes... Keep going. It's going up and down.
Oh,
look. See?
so it's stitching it.
Yeah, it's stitching it.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
And
I
then-
always thought that when you lifted the needle, you're like setting it up to turn it. I mean that
Well,
you do
not,
that too.
not
but...
yet.
Oh,
Keep
okay.
going until you get that needle in that corner. Look, one more stitch. Stop. Now lift this.
Yeah, you lift the leg.
And then check, turn. So look, nope, you got one more stitch. So to put it back, right in the direct, you got to keep it straight. Put the foot down, and then do one more needle towards you. One more stitch, and then you're in the corner. Now stop, lift, turn.
But you don't need to bring this all the way up?
Well, if you lift this needle out of the fabric, you're going to lose your spot. Look. See how you don't lose your spot here?
Yeah.
Look. That's why it's important to always keep the needle in the down position.
Okay.
So you don't lose a spot, and then you're lining it up again. You line it up and then put this down. Don't forget the foot down. Now you can use your pedal.
Okay. And same with the 1/4 inch?
Yep, always do the same thing on every corner. And you have a perfect square. Because if you use your pedal all the way to the end, you're never going to stop on the right. Oh, no.
I didn't do the back stitch.
No, you don't.
You don't need to?
Only
just
when you
beginning.
start and and when you end.
Okay.
Okay, so keep going around the square.
Can I do it?
Yep, do it by hand.
Okay.
And try to towards you, yep. And get it right in that corner. Keep going until you get in the corner. Keep going. Some more. One more, and then you can lift and check. But the needle has to be in the down position before you lift it up. So lift up the foot pedal, turn it, and check. Turn, and now look.
No, I need one more.
You sure? Okay.
I think so.
Let me see. Yep, you need one more. So you have one more stitch. Nope. What's missing? Stop.
Oh, it's in the down.
Nope.
The leg.
Yes. Everybody stops and does that all the time. They forget to put the pedal down, the foot pedal, and all of